Stick around to see if cat food will catch crabs and see some underwater crab footage.
Two.
And also, do we catch any keepers?
Alright, we're back
Let's
out
go.
here doing some crabbing today. I think the tides are good, so low tide and high tide don't have that much of a difference. That means there's not going to be too much undercurrent down below. We'll see on the camera. There's going to be underwater footage. Today, the special bait that we're going to try out are Friskies cat food. So we just have that in one of the pots. Let's see how it performs against the mackerel that we have. Yeah, just make sure you go to howtofish.com, sign up to my newsletter, and you're gonna get the crabbing report in your inbox once a week. And let's see what else, what other updates. So it looks like crabbing, commercial crabbing is still delayed, most likely until January 1st, 2024. Still a whole bunch of whales along the coast, so they don't want the whales to be entangled in the commercial crab traps. All right, so here we go. This is the underwater cam. I got it attached on a PVC tube here, and got a little light on it as well, because it does get a little dark in there, down low. All right, and so yeah, we got some mackerel. We actually have a little bit of herring as well in this pot. Let's see how it performs. Alright, so this one has the Friskies cat food in there, salmon flavored. I'm gonna drop that down. Alright, we got the underwater cam. This is the first pull. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. Okay. Some slack line here. Alright, what do you guys think? Do we have some crabs? The excitement, I have all the force. Actually, a little weight to it, a little weight. Let's see. Yeah, two. Hey-oh. This one's for sure a keeper. Yeah. And then we got one little guy. There you go. California Dungeness crab. They need to be 5 3/4 across the carapace. All right. Oh, this guy's pretty fat. Just missing one pincer here, but that's all right. So this guy here, I'm measuring from right in front of the point to here, and if it doesn't fit, this one's 6.5. Does not fit inside, so that's a keeper, guys. In case you guys are curious in terms of what crab gear I use for any of these this kayak gear, I will have all my gear in the link in the description below, and you guys can check it out. I'm gonna add a little bit of crab attractant juice here to keep the good times rolling. And all right, here we go. I think this one here is just mackerel. Let's see. Not that heavy. A lot of shorts. Maybe a couple of keepers. Yeah. Oh, one female crab here, and I think it's got some eggs on it. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is a female crab, and there's millions of eggs here. We're gonna drop that down nice and slow so that she can continue to reproduce. One keeper here, maybe. We won't know for sure. Yeah, this one's short. So the male has a shorter apron, smaller apron. Doesn't need to carry eggs. Let's see if this guy makes the cut. Yeah, short. All right, so 4 shorts in this one. All right, now we got the cat food, one that we need to check on. So let's take a look.
One of your lines is tangled up.
Okay. Wow. Nothing in cat food. Might as well check it.
Yeah, it might be something. I just put 2 jumbos here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nope, nothing yet. Some weight to this, guys. Ah, little rock crab. Well, we don't want this guy. Nothing with the cat food. Is it heavy? Nope. Nothing. Yeah. Got 2. Keeper size.
Ok, Đức đang ra cái channel này, ok?
Maybe one's a keeper. Let's see. Is this guy a keeper? Nope, short. Alright, 3 shorts. Unfortunately. 2 shorts. And rock crab. Two dungies, all short.
You got 6 now.
All right, underwater cam. All right, a little bit of a tangle, and I got a rock crab in here. Yeah, nothing in here, just seaweed. And we got nothing. Oh, small guy. Nope. Short crab. Short crab. Small guys. Dang. Rock crab. Nothing. Rock crab. Alright, so that was it. Only one crab today. Tough. I guess I didn't use the right bait. I was using mackerel. Some friends were using some chicken, and they're almost limited. So maybe chicken's the way to go. And yeah, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Go check out how to fish. And yeah, anything I used in this episode, you got the link in the description below. Take care, guys.